So today I'll be showing you how to connect 3.5mm headphone jack wired headphones to your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now obviously this phone does not have a headphone jack, and so if you want to connect your trusty wired headphones with a headphone jack, you're gonna need an adapter. So you need an adapter like this. So this one has a port where you can plug in the headphone jack from the headphones, and then the other end has a Type-C connector that goes into the Type-C port of your Pixel. Simple as that. And when you connect, you will not see any notification or any pop-up on the screen. All you have to do is play some media and it's gonna play through the headphones. All right. Now, if you also want to charge while listening, then you can have a variation of that particular adapter like this one. So this one has the same Type-C connector that goes into your phone like that. And then the other end has two parts. So one end that has a 3.5mm headphone port where you can plug in the headphones. And then the other end has a pass-through Type-C port where you can plug in a charger and listen to music as you charge at the same time, right? So that's how to connect wired headphones to your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.